Hey guys, box a dress form with me. I'm currently in a parking lot at work on my lunch recording this voiceover. But anyway, if it's your first time here, my name is Bethel and I just bought a dress form. So as you guys know, I sew. If you don't, then anyway, I got a dress form and I thought to unbox it for you guys. So this is just me taking it out of the box. It's a size 10 as you can see. So I'll give you guys much details on where I bought it from at the end of this video. It's just like 1 minute, so just wait till the end so you can find out. But anyway, that white thing you see me holding there is like the cloth for the dress form ball. I don't think there's any point wearing it because it's white and it's going to get dirty. I did not realize part was out of frame, so I was just assembling the leg parts. That's why I sped it up because you guys can't really see anything. So after I finished assembling the leg, I just opened it up. Why am I cutting this clip like this? Like the editing is very, oh my gosh, I'm not going to go back to this video, but this is what it looks like on the stand. I love the fact that it actually has legs, so I can make shorts or pants, and then those are the hands. This is my attempt at making a thumbnail. I don't know what the final thumbnail is going to be, but yeah, this is a mannequin. I really love it. By the way, I got it from Fabulous Fit on Etsy, and it also came with extra padding so that way I could pad it to the size if I want a bigger size. Again, I got it from Fabulous Fit on Etsy and it was expensive. I hope they sponsor. At this point in life, they should be sponsoring me for videos like this. I don't know. Anywho, subscribe to my channel. Bye.